Are you a dedicated creator, pouring your heart into every video, only to be blindsided by a dreaded copyright claim? It's a frustrating experience that can halt your momentum and even impact your channel's monetization. But don't panic. This comprehensive guide is your ultimate resource for understanding, navigating, and resolving music-related copyright claims directly within YouTube Studio. We'll transform that moment of dread into an opportunity for learning and growth, ensuring your content remains live and thriving. Before diving into the how-to, let's briefly demystify YouTube's copyright system. Copyright law protects original works of authorship, including music. When you use copyrighted music without permission, the copyright holder can issue a claim. This system is designed to protect artists and their intellectual property. YouTube's Content ID system automatically scans uploaded videos for copyrighted material. If a match is found, a claim is generated. This isn't necessarily a strike against your channel, but it can lead to monetization being redirected to the copyright holder, or even your video being blocked. Knowing these basics empowers you to make informed decisions. It helps you understand why claims occur and the importance of addressing them promptly. This knowledge is crucial for both beginners and seasoned professionals. YouTube Studio is more than just an analytics dashboard. It's your central hub for managing every aspect of your channel. From uploading videos to analyzing performance and, crucially, resolving copyright issues, it's an indispensable tool. Familiarizing yourself with its layout will save you countless hours. For copyright management, YouTube Studio provides dedicated sections and intuitive interfaces. These tools are designed to give creators control over their content, even when facing claims. We'll be spending most of our time here, so let's get comfortable. The first step in resolving any issue is knowing it exists. YouTube Studio makes it straightforward to identify videos with copyright claims. This proactive approach helps you address problems before they escalate. Begin by logging into your YouTube account and navigating to YouTube Studio. On the left-hand menu, you'll find a crucial section labeled Copyright. Clicking this will display a comprehensive list of all copyright claims currently affecting your channel. This centralized view is incredibly helpful for managing multiple claims. If the Copyright tab isn't immediately visible, don't worry. You can also find claims by going to the Content tab, which lists all your uploaded videos. Look for the Restrictions column. Videos with claims will clearly show a copyright claim notification. This dual approach ensures you can always locate affected content. A copyright claim notification isn't just a red flag, it's an indicator that action is required. It means YouTube's Content ID system has detected material that matches a copyrighted work. This system is highly efficient, scanning millions of videos daily. The presence of a claim doesn't automatically mean you've done something wrong, but it does mean you need to investigate. It's an alert, prompting you to review the details and decide on the best course of action. Ignoring these claims can lead to further restrictions. Once you've identified a video with a claim, the next crucial step is to understand its specifics. YouTube provides detailed information about each claim, empowering you to make an informed decision. This transparency is key to effective troubleshooting. From either the Copyright or Content section, click directly on the Copyright claim, notification, or the See Details link associated with the video. This action will open the Copyright Details page, a dedicated interface providing all the necessary information. This page is your central hub for understanding the claim. This page is designed to be highly informative, presenting all relevant data in an organized manner. It's where you'll gather the intelligence needed to resolve the issue. Take your time to review everything presented here. On the Copyright Details page, you'll find a summary of the claim. This includes vital information such as which specific content was flagged, which is almost always the music in these cases. You'll also see the name of the claimant, typically a record label or music publisher. Crucially, the page will outline the impact on your video. This might include monetization restrictions, meaning any ad revenue generated by that video will go to the copyright holder. In some cases, the video might be blocked in certain regions or even worldwide. Understanding these impacts helps you prioritize your actions. With a clear understanding of the claim, it's time to take action. YouTube Studio offers several powerful tools to resolve music-related copyright claims without re-uploading your video. These options provide flexibility depending on your specific needs. Locate and click the Select Action button on the Copyright Details page. This button is your gateway to resolving the claim. A drop-down menu will appear presenting you with three primary options: trim out segment, replace song, and mute song. Each option serves a distinct purpose. Choosing the right action depends on your video's content and your desired outcome. Consider whether the music is integral to the segment or if it can be easily removed or swapped. This decision is critical for maintaining your video's integrity. The trim out segment option allows you to precisely cut out the portion of your video containing the copyrighted music. This is ideal if the music is only present in a small, non-essential part of your video. It's a quick and clean solution for isolated incidents. When you select this, YouTube's editor will highlight the exact segment identified by the claim. You can then confirm the trim, effectively removing that section from your video. Be mindful that this will also remove any visuals or dialogue within that segment. Replace song is often the preferred choice for creators who want to maintain continuous audio in their video. This option allows you to swap the copyrighted track with a royalty-free song from YouTube's extensive audio library. It's a fantastic way to keep your video engaging. This method ensures your video doesn't have awkward silences, preserving the viewer experience. It's particularly useful for background music that enhances the overall mood or pace of your content. We'll delve deeper into this option next. Mute song offers a simpler, more direct approach. This option completely silences the audio during the section where the copyrighted music plays. It's a good choice if the music isn't critical and you want to quickly resolve the claim. You'll have further choices within this option, which we'll explore in detail. Muting is effective for situations where preserving other audio elements like your voiceover is paramount, but the background music needs to go. Replacing copyrighted music is a powerful feature that allows you to maintain your video's audio integrity. This process leverages YouTube's vast library of free-to-use music, ensuring your content remains engaging and claim-free. Upon selecting Replace Song, you'll be directed to an interface that integrates YouTube's audio library. This library is a treasure trove of royalty-free music and sound effects, all cleared for use on YouTube. It's an invaluable resource for creators. The interface is designed for easy navigation, allowing you to browse and preview tracks efficiently. This seamless integration makes finding the perfect replacement track a straightforward process. The audio library offers robust search and filter options. You can search by genre, e.g., cinematic, electronic, pop, mood, e.g., inspiring, dramatic, calm, artist, or even duration. This allows you to find music that perfectly complements your video's tone and style. You can also filter by tracks that do not require attribution, simplifying your workflow. Preview different tracks by clicking the play button next to each song. Listen carefully to ensure the new music blends well with your video's existing audio and visuals. Once you've found a suitable song, click the ADD to Video button. The selected track will then appear in your video's timeline, specifically over the segment where the copyrighted music was detected. This visual representation helps you fine-tune the placement. You can adjust the start and end times of the replacement track to perfectly match the duration of the original copyrighted segment. Ensure the new music fades in and out smoothly, creating a professional and polished sound. This precision helps maintain your video's quality. After carefully selecting and positioning your new track, click Save. YouTube will then begin processing your video with the new audio. This process can take some time, depending on the length of your video and the complexity of the changes. Be patient as the system works to seamlessly integrate the new audio. Once processing is complete, the copyright claim should be removed, and your video will be updated with the new music. Always double-check your video to ensure the changes are to your liking and that the claim has indeed been resolved. Muting copyrighted music is another effective way to resolve claims, especially when the music is not central to your video's narrative. This option provides flexibility, allowing you to choose how much audio is affected. When you choose Mute Song, you'll typically be presented with two distinct options. Mute all sound when song plays. This option will completely silence all audio during the entire segment where the copyrighted music was detected. This is the most straightforward and safest option for ensuring the claim is resolved. It's a definitive way to remove the problematic audio. Mute Song Only, Beta. This more advanced option attempts to remove only the copyrighted music while preserving other audio elements in your video, such as your voiceover, sound effects, or ambient noise. This is incredibly useful for creators who have spoken commentary over background music. The Mute Song Only beta feature uses sophisticated audio processing to isolate and remove the copyrighted music. While powerful, it's important to remember it's still in beta. This means it might not always be perfect. There's a chance some remnants of the music could remain, or other audio might be slightly affected. Always preview the changes carefully before saving if you choose this option. Listen closely to ensure your voiceover or other critical audio remains clear and unaffected. If the result isn't satisfactory, you can always revert and choose Mute All Sound or Replace Song. Once you've selected your preferred mute option, click Save. Similar to replacing a song, YouTube will then process your video. This processing time can vary, so allow it to complete. After processing, the copyright claim should be resolved, and your video will reflect the audio changes. Review your video thoroughly after the process. Ensure the muted section sounds as intended, and that no unintended audio artifacts are present. This final check is crucial for maintaining your video's quality. After you've made your choice whether to trim, replace, or mute, the process isn't instantly complete. YouTube needs time to implement these changes across its systems. Understanding this processing phase and the importance of review is key. Once you click Save, after selecting your action, YouTube will display a message indicating that your video is being processed. This is a critical step where YouTube's servers apply the changes you've requested to your video file. The duration of this process can vary significantly. Factors influencing processing time include the length of your video, the complexity of the changes, and current system load. For shorter videos with simple edits, it might be quick. For longer videos or more intricate replacements, it could take several hours. Patience is essential during this stage. After the processing is complete, return to your YouTube Studio dashboard. Check the Copyright or Content section again. The copyright claim associated with your video should now be gone. This is your primary confirmation that the issue has been resolved. However, the most important step is to double-check your actual video. Play the video from start to finish, paying close attention to the section where the copyrighted music was. Ensure the changes are exactly as you intended and that the audio flows naturally. This final review guarantees your video is perfect. Sometimes, a copyright claim might be incorrect. Perhaps you have a license to use the music, or your use falls under fair use principles. In such cases, YouTube provides a mechanism to dispute the claim. This is a more advanced option that requires careful consideration. You should only dispute a claim if you genuinely believe it is erroneous, and you have strong evidence to support your position. Valid reasons for disputing include: you own the copyright. You created the music yourself. You have a license. You purchased or were granted permission to use the music. Fair use. Your use of the music falls under fair use, fair dealing, or similar copyright exceptions, e.g. yes for commentary, criticism, parody, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, or research. This is a complex legal doctrine and requires careful understanding. Public domain. The music is old enough to be in the public domain and is no longer protected by copyright. Do not dispute a claim simply because you want to use the music without permission. Frivolous disputes can lead to negative consequences for your channel. On the Copyright Details page, you'll find a Dispute button. Clicking this will initiate a guided process where you'll be asked to provide details and evidence for your dispute. You'll need to select the reason for your dispute and provide a clear, concise explanation. Be prepared to provide documentation, such as a copy of your license agreement, proof of ownership, or a detailed explanation of how your use constitutes fair use. The more evidence you provide, the stronger your case. Once you submit a dispute, the copyright claimant has a limited time, usually 30 days, to review your claim and respond. Their possible responses include: releasing the claim, they agree with your dispute and the claim is removed. Upholding the claim, they disagree with your dispute. At this point, you might have the option to appeal, which can escalate the situation. Taking down your video. In rare cases, if the claimant is confident in their claim and you continue to dispute, they might issue a copyright strike, leading to your video being removed. Disputing a claim is a serious step. Always ensure you have a legitimate reason and sufficient evidence before proceeding. If in doubt, consulting with a legal professional specializing in copyright law is highly recommended. The best way to deal with copyright claims is to prevent them from happening in the first place. Adopting smart practices will save you time, stress, and potential channel restrictions. This is crucial for long-term channel health. Make it a habit to source all your background music from legitimate royalty-free libraries. YouTube's audio library is an excellent starting point, offering a vast selection of music cleared for commercial use. Other popular options include Epidemic Sound, Artlist, and Storyblocks. Always read the licensing terms carefully for any music you use. Some licenses may require attribution, while others might have restrictions on commercial use. Understanding these terms is vital for compliance. If you have musical talent, consider composing your own original scores. This guarantees your music is 100% unique and copyright-free. It also adds a personal touch to your content, enhancing your brand. Even simple jingles or background loops can make a big difference. This approach gives you complete creative control and eliminates any copyright concerns. While fair use can be a defense against copyright infringement, it's a complex legal concept. Don't assume that simply using a small portion of a song or crediting the artist automatically qualifies as fair use. Factors like the purpose and character of your use, the nature of the copyrighted work, the amount and substantiality of the portion used, and the effect of the use upon the potential market are all considered. If you're relying on fair use, be prepared to articulate a strong argument for why your use is transformative or falls under one of the recognized exceptions. When in doubt, avoid using copyrighted material without explicit permission. If you purchase or are granted licenses for music, keep meticulous records. Store license agreements, purchase receipts, and any communication with copyright holders. This documentation is your primary defense if a claim arises. Having these records readily available will significantly streamline the dispute process if you ever need to challenge an incorrect claim. Organization is key to protecting your content. Dealing with copyright claims can be daunting, but with the right knowledge and tools, it's a manageable part of being a YouTube creator. This guide has equipped you with the step-by-step process to confidently remove or replace copyrighted music in YouTube Studio, troubleshoot common issues, and even dispute incorrect claims. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and refine your craft. Don't let a copyright claim derail your creative flow. Take control of your content, protect your channel, and keep producing amazing videos. If this comprehensive tutorial helped you navigate the complexities of YouTube copyright, please give this video a thumbs up to support our channel. Subscribe for more in-depth guides and creator tips that empower you to succeed on YouTube. And if you have any questions or your own experiences to share, leave a comment below. We love hearing from our community. Keep creating, keep learning, and keep growing.